Hello everyone, Shane here with RepairDesk. Quickly I will go over suggestive sales with RepairDesk Payments, one of our newest and most popular features. With RepairDesk Payments you can add a still picture, slides, and even video easily from your merchant dashboard, at no extra cost to you, and it's very easy to use and you can change it as much as you like. Every client when processing a card will look and see your slides or video on your terminal for several seconds, sometimes waiting for the line items to pop up while you're working on the ticket. It's a great time to spark their interest. With slides, you can spark your client's interest while being able to change the slides on the fly as needed in real time. Video is a great way to upsell as well. With high quality panel, videos look superb and engaging. It's time to switch to RepairDesk Payments and experience a seamless payment integration that is not only fast, but engaging the client as well. Let's increase your sales. To get going with RepairDesk Payments, please email payments@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching.